Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0069 indicates a fault with the barometric pressure (BARO) sensor circuit in the Honda Accord 2023 or newer. This diagnostic trouble code signifies that the output from the BARO sensor does not align with the expected values from the manifold absolute pressure (MAP) sensor or the turbocharger boost sensor while the vehicle is in certain driving conditions. This misalignment is detected by the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which serves as the vehicle's brain, monitoring various sensor outputs to ensure optimal engine performance. When discrepancies arise, the PCM triggers the DTC to alert the technician of a potential issue requiring further investigation. The BARO sensor plays a vital role as it measures the atmospheric pressure, which is essential for the engine management system's calculations related to fuel injection and air density. In this context, understanding the BARO sensor's function and its connection to both the MAP sensor and turbocharger boost sensor is crucial for accurate diagnosing and repairing the issue. The barometric pressure (BARO) sensor measures atmospheric pressure, which impacts fuel-air mixture calculations in the engine. This sensor is located under the intake manifold, positioned so that it can accurately gauge the pressure changes in the surrounding atmosphere. This information is relayed to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which uses it to adjust engine parameters. If the BARO sensor's output deviates from the expected output of the MAP sensor or the turbocharger boost sensor, this misalignment may indicate a failure or incorrect operation of one of these components. The data from these sensors is crucial for the engine's efficiency, especially in controlled driving conditions. Consequently, when abnormalities or ranges surpass the normal limits are detected, the PCM records DTC P0069, indicating the need for diagnostic procedures to identify the underlying cause. When diagnosing DTC P0069, several potential causes need to be considered. A faulty BARO sensor is a primary suspect, as it directly measures atmospheric pressure and could provide incorrect readings to the PCM. Wiring issues, such as damaged wires or bad connections, can also lead to incorrect sensor readings, affecting how the PCM interprets data from the BARO sensor. Additionally, a malfunctioning PCM, responsible for processing input from multiple sensors, could misinterpret data or fail to communicate accurately with the BARO sensor. Each of these factors can lead to discrepancies that trigger the DTC, necessitating a thorough examination of sensors, wiring, and the PCM itself during the troubleshooting process. Owners experiencing issues related to DTC P0069 may observe a variety of symptoms. Commonly, poor engine performance may arise due to incorrect air-fuel mixture adjustments driven by faulty sensor readings. This can manifest as reduced acceleration or stalling. Additionally, the check engine light will typically illuminate, serving as a warning signal that deserves immediate attention. Moreover, an unusual air-fuel mixture could indicate the engine is running too lean or too rich, which is undesirable for engine health and efficiency. Correcting the issue is essential, not just for performance, but also to maintain overall vehicle reliability and compliance with emission standards. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0069 is to start the engine and hold the engine speed at approximately 3,000 revolutions per minute, or RPM. This needs to be done without any load, meaning that the vehicle should be in the park P or neutral N position. The significance of maintaining this specific engine RPM allows the technician to observe sensor behavior under controlled conditions, ensuring that the PCM can receive proper input from the BARO sensor and other related sensors. It is essential to continue holding the engine speed at 3,000 RPM until the radiator fan activates, which indicates that the cooling system is functioning properly. After confirming the fan's activation, it is important to let the engine idle for at least 5 more seconds to stabilize sensor readings and prepare for further diagnostic steps. In the second troubleshooting step, a test drive of the vehicle is required under specific conditions. The goal is to identify whether the BARO sensor functions correctly during various engine loads and speeds. During the test drive, maintaining an engine speed above 1700 RPM is crucial, as it helps simulate real-world conditions where sensor discrepancies may manifest. Additionally, ensure that the transmission is set in drive, allowing the vehicle to operate normally while monitoring the performance accurately. The conditions during this test promote effective communication between the BARO sensor and the PCM, enhancing diagnosis of DTC P0069. This helps verify whether the issues detected during the initial engine RPM hold are consistent in a more dynamic driving environment. The third troubleshooting step involves checking readings from the HDS, which stands for Honda Diagnostics System. It's vital to ensure that the REL-TP, relative throttle position sensor, is reading above 42.2 degrees during the test drive. This requirement serves as a benchmark that confirms the system's operational state aligns with normal parameters. To achieve an accurate assessment, the vehicle must be driven for at least 6 seconds, allowing ample time to observe real-time data and further validate the condition of the BARO sensor and its relationship with other sensor inputs. Confirming that the REL-TP sensor meets this threshold is a critical aspect in troubleshooting DTC P0069. If the readings fall short, it may indicate an issue needing further investigation, whether related to the BARO sensor itself, other components, or even the PCM. After completing the necessary repairs for DTC P0069, it's crucial to verify the success of the work performed. The first step in verification is to clear any diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, from the PCM, resetting the system for fresh evaluations. Following this, a test drive should be conducted under similar conditions used during diagnostics to ensure that all sensors operate correctly without triggering a repeat of the previous code. While monitoring the relevant sensor readings via the HDS, special attention should be paid to the BARO and MAP sensors, ensuring their outputs align with expected values. A successful clearance of DTC P0069 and absence of new related trouble codes would confirm that the repairs were effective. This verification step is crucial to ensure lasting vehicle reliability and performance. To help prevent DTC P0069 and maintain optimal performance of the Honda Accord, engaging in regular preventive maintenance is beneficial. Regular sensor inspections will allow early detection of any irregularities or signs of wear and tear on the BARO, MAP, and related sensors. Keeping the powertrain control module, PCM, updated with the latest software enhancements ensures that it can process data accurately, which can also mitigate potential issues before they escalate into full-blown DTCs. Furthermore, maintaining wiring integrity by routinely checking for frayed wires or loose connections is essential to ensure reliable signal transmission between components. These preventive measures are a proactive approach to maintaining your vehicle's operation, providing a better driving experience while avoiding unnecessary repairs. In conclusion, understanding the role of the barometric pressure, BARO, sensor in the Honda Accord is essential for diagnosing DTC P0069 effectively. The BARO sensor not only measures atmospheric pressure, but also significantly impacts engine performance through its relationship with the powertrain control module, PCM, and other critical sensors. Accurate diagnostics are crucial to pinpoint the root causes behind any discrepancies identified and to eliminate any faults that could lead to further complications. Engaging in proactive maintenance routines, such as regular sensor checks, PCM updates, and ensuring wiring integrity will help prevent DTC P0069 from occurring in the future. Being well informed about these technical components and their interconnectedness showcases the commitment to maintaining vehicle reliability and ensuring a smooth driving experience for all Honda Accord owners. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.